seat, facing criticism across the board. The acting head of the NPA reviewed the decision by the Northwest Director of Public Prosecution, Johan Smit.
The murder charge against the current 270 suspects, which was provisional anyway, will be formally withdrawn provisionally in court on their next court appearance.
Jiba said her decision was subject to the Judicial Commission of Inquiry and investigations undertaken by the Independent Police Investigative Directorate and police. The legal team of the arrested miners earlier demanded the president's intervention to secure their release by today. Jiba said she had met the Provincial Police Commissioner and Director of Public Prosecution, but not the president. The Northwest DPP defended his original call to charge the men with murder under common purpose law. He said there was evidence that miners were armed to attack police.
I am not in the habit of arguing my cases in the media. I prefer to do that in court. But what I'm telling you is I have evidence to the effect that I've just mentioned. And that is why the principle in the robbery case is exactly the same here. Madam, and if you feel you are in a better position to argue for the defense, you are welcome to come and do so.
Legal experts have welcomed the decision to drop the murder charges.
The NPA has obviously given some thought again to the wisdom of this prosecution, and in particular the extensive commentary that's been offered as to whether the common purpose doctrine could conceivably be applicable in these circumstances has obviously given rise to a rethink. And so I think the NPA has taken the sensible step of now taking a step back and withdrawing at least some of the charges for now, and reassessing its position.
We are happy that the charges have been dropped, but we were surprised that government sided with the police and did not charge them. We are ready to give evidence that police shot us.
The men's legal team meets tonight to discuss the latest development. The addresses of 140 miners have been verified so far. They will be the first group to be released. They may be going home, but it's far from over for the men. They could be implicated in ongoing investigations and find themselves back in the dock. Mahlatsi Gallens, SABC News, Pretoria.